number 19, verse 1. The heaven declared the glory of God. Matthew chapter 22, verses 39. You should love your neighbor as yourself.
Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Thank you.
Deuteronomy chapter 6, verse 5. You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your might. Thank you. Jesus Christ is the same yesterday and today and forever. Thank you. John chapter 15, verse 17. This is my command, love each other. Thank you. Psalm 1, verse 6. The Lord knows the way of the righteous, but the way of the wicked will perish. Thank you.